Well, hi friends, welcome back. We are on book 2 of our 4-book series with the campfire. I got my cozy blanket, I got my hat, I got my flannel. I'm ready to read about Boo Boo Bird. Let's go. Boo Boo Bird. He's got a band-aid on his forehead and he's got a little teardrop. I hope he's okay. Boo Boo Bird. There he is. Bird and Raccoon were enjoying a game of catch when Bird got blinked right on the head. Look at that. Doink. That was unexpected, wasn't it? Ouch, moaned Bird. That hurt a lot. And he started to cry. You see that little tear? I would cry too if I got bonked on the head. Oh no, said Raccoon. I've wounded Bird. Here, I'll kiss it and I'll make it better. Raccoon kissed Bird's boink. Bird kept crying. It still hurts. I'm sorry, said Raccoon. Let's see if Rabbit can help. He didn't mean to hurt him, did he? Raccoon told Rabbit what happened. Poor Bird, said Rabbit. Would a hug help? Look at that nice little hug he's giving his friend. Rabbit gave Bird a hug and Bird cried some more. It's not helping. Let's go find Beaver, said Rabbit. He'll know what to do. Oh, I hope Beaver knows what to do. What you need is a cookie. Cookies do help with a lot of things, don't they? You can fix any problem with a cookie, said Beaver. Beaver gave Bird a cookie. Bird cried louder. I think I'm getting dizzy. Whoa. Let's ask Sheep what to do, said Beaver. She's full of ideas. Their friends are so helpful. Beaver showed Bird's boo-boo to Sheep. How about a game of hide-and-seek, suggested Sheep. The animals ran and hid. You want me to hide? Said Bird. I can hardly walk. Oy. Surely Fox can make you feel better, said Sheep. He's clever. Do you guys think Fox will help? Bird got bonked on the head, Sheep told Fox, and he's quite upset. What you need is a Band-Aid, said Fox. He disappeared into his den and he came back. Band-Aids always make my boo-boos feel better. Fox put the Band-Aid on Bird's head. Think. See that little owie right there, that bump? The Band-Aid isn't working. Boo! Cried Bird. He's so sad. What happens when we have a friend who's really sad? Boo! Cried Bird's friends together. Nothing is making Bird feel better. Now his friends feel really bad for Bird and they're crying too. It's called empathy. Bird looked at his friends. He felt his bonk. Didn't really hurt anymore. I think I'm okay now. But his friends didn't hear him because they're still crying. I said, I'm all better now, shouted Bird. See? Bird stood on his head. And what do good friends do? You're so silly, Bird, said the animals. They laughed and they stood on their heads too. Come on, said Bird. Let's go play some catch. Does that sound like a good idea? Bonk. Right on the head again. Poor Bird. That was really unexpected. What makes your boo-boos feel better? When you have a boo-boo, what feels better? Do you like to get little boo-boo bunny with some ice in it and hold it on your head? Say, thanks, boo-boo bunny. Or do you get a Band-Aid and put that Band-Aid on your boo-boo? Does that make it feel better? What do you do when you have a boo-boo? What makes your boo-boo feel better? Until next time, friends, I'll see you soon. Bye.